The Boston Celtics are facing a massive decision that could completely change the dynamic of their starting lineup next season. One of the most reliable players on the entire roster is quietly playing his way into a massive promotion. Payton Pritchard is officially entering a crucial phase of his career this fall. The talented guard will become eligible to sign a lucrative contract extension on the 1st of October. This window will remain open for months. He will have the opportunity to sign a 3-year deal worth over $67 million. This new contract would officially take effect during the 2028 season. It is a massive payday for the former first-round pick. Pritchard previously chose security over testing the open market. He signed a highly team-friendly 4-year contract worth $30 million back in 2023. That decision provided him with immense peace of mind. That contract quickly turned into one of the absolute best values in the entire league. He immediately helped the team capture Banner 8 right before that specific deal kicked in. His value skyrocketed after that historic run. Since then, he has officially earned the prestigious 6th Man of the Year award. He is coming off a sensational campaign where he proved his immense worth as a primary starter. He then seamlessly shifted back to lead the bench unit. The trade market is currently buzzing with wild rumors about a potential blockbuster deal for Giannis Antetokounmpo. If that massive trade actually happens, it would likely cost Boston a superstar player like Jaylen Brown. Reports suggest that Pritchard would remain in Boston, regardless of any superstar trades. If he stays in green, he is in line for a permanent return to the starting lineup. The coaching staff is seriously considering this change. Pritchard just finished his 6th year in the league and put up incredible numbers. He averaged a career-high 17 points and over 5 assists per contest. He also played over 32 minutes per game on a nightly basis. Those numbers prove that he has completely outgrown his role as a simple backup guard. He also knocked down over 37% of his perimeter shots. He was taking more than 7 3-pointers per game. His ability to consistently burrow deep into the paint is highly valuable for the offense. He possesses incredible contact balance and craftiness when playing off 2 feet. He generated nearly 6 points per game strictly from the paint. He was also incredibly efficient when forced to isolate against defenders. He produced the 3rd most isolation points per possession among players who appeared in at least 60 contests. He routinely punishes slow perimeter defenders. The 28-year-old guard also does an exceptional job of taking care of the basketball. He registered the 4th best assist-to-turnover ratio in the entire league this season. He rarely makes mistakes with the ball. He achieved that incredible ranking while maintaining a higher usage rate than the players listed ahead of him. He is a highly intelligent decision-maker who commands the floor with total confidence. He simply does not give possessions away. If you want to stay updated on all these potential lineup changes, please like the video and subscribe. Naming him the starting point guard makes perfect sense for the flow of the offense. He fits beautifully next to the star players. Pritchard and Jayson Tatum have already proven they form a highly potent offensive duo on the court. That specific combination generated over 46 points in just 18 minutes of shared floor time last season. He earned an incredible +7+ - rating when playing together. The team posted a staggering 123 offensive rating during those shared minutes, completely suffocated opponents on the other end. They held opposing teams to just 104 points per 100 possessions. That gives the duo an elite 18-point net rating according to official league data. They look completely unstoppable when running the pick and roll. Pritchard has elite sharpshooting and quickness that places opposing defenses in very uncomfortable predicaments. Teams will struggle significantly when he comes off a heavy screen from Tatum. It creates a massive tactical dilemma. Defenders cannot simply drop back because Pritchard will punish them from deep. He is also an outstanding option on catch-and-shoot attempts from behind the arc. This specific skill allows Tatum to operate with much more space. Tatum has finished most of his recent campaigns shooting around 40%. On those exact catch-and-shoot looks, defenders are absolutely terrified of leaving a 4-time All-NBA selection open on the perimeter. Giving Pritchard a clear path to get downhill will repeatedly create highly advantageous situations for the offense. This strategic adjustment would clearly benefit every single player in the starting lineup. The results from last season speak completely for themselves. The team posted an impressive 31-19 record when Pritchard was inserted into the starting unit. He proved he can lead the team to victory. His presence on the floor would also alleviate a massive ball-handling burden from Derrick White. White has been forced to do a lot of heavy lifting as a playmaker. This shift would allow White to focus on his own scoring. White is an elite shooter when he receives the ball off the catch. He buried over 40% of his catch-and-shoot looks in previous seasons. Starting another true ball handler allows the team to capitalize on that efficiency. The franchise would obviously have to search for a brand new sixth man to lead the bench. This vacancy could lead them to aggressively pursue a dynamic scoring guard in the trade market. Someone like Colin Sexton would be perfect. Sexton brings a highly fierce approach and incredible energy on a nightly basis. He could easily replace the scoring punch that leaves with Pritchard. But the coaching staff might decide to take a completely different route. They could decide that the best way to manage the rotation is to keep Pritchard on the bench. He would still receive the heavy minutes typically seen from a starter. He would also have considerable opportunities to close out tight games. The sheer volume of minutes is what actually matters most to the players and coaches. The front office must determine the absolute best way to maximize their existing roster talent. Pritchard has already fully proven his effectiveness. The actual results on the floor could look even more impressive with more consistent repetitions alongside Tatum. The upcoming season is going to require a lot of tactical adjustments from the coaching staff. Naming Pritchard the starter is the ultimate wildcard move.